Alahan.
Alahan.
It's bleeding, oh.
Okay, so I brought tissue roll.
The side. He gets so mad. He get mad really fast. Naglagay ako dito ng ano, tawag nito, yung vinegar para sa mga hinayupak. Parang hindi naman ata nag-work. Walang tumungtong na bug. Iwan ko. Meron naman, oh. Meron dito, oh. Parang wala man silang naamoy. Good morning, everything. Good morning. Plano ko sanang i-transfer ito dyan. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung... Kasi, look, tignan nyo, oh. I think I'm going to transfer this. It's nicer over there. Kasi mataas na siya. Look, bibili ako ulit ng ganito. Isa. Kasi maganda siya, guys. May, yun siya. Katulad niyang yun. Hindi pa siya lumaki kasi. So, yun. Transfer natin, ha? Oh, diba? Ang saya pag may halaman. Plantita na ako, guys. And then, dito sa baba, meron dyan. Dyan. Kaso, ang isa dyan, nag-iisa. At ito, parang nakita ko naman siyang tumubo. So, let's see. Look, tumubo naman siya. And ito din, lumaki. Tumubo siya. Kitang-kita na. And dun yun. And then, may plano akong, pero I think, ito siya, lumaki siya. Kaso lang, kailangan ko ata itong i-transfer. Ito siya, kasi parang bushy siya ba? And parang kailangan siyang ilagay somewhere na hindi siya hanging. Diba? Kasi lumalaki kasi siya. Yun. And yun siya na lang nag-iisa. Maglagay ako dito ng isa. Bibili muna ako. And yun, I think yun lang. 2 bulaklak lang yung bilhin ko. 2 halaman para doon sa taas at doon. At also, gusto kong bumili para dito, look. Yung garutay naglilinis. Pabayaan lang natin. Pero look, yung asawa ko. Hello guys, magre-ready lang ako. Hindi na ako maligo kasi naligo ako kahapon ng hapon, gabi. I think gabi ako naligo kahapon. The whole window is open para naman may hangin sa loob. At saka sobrang hangin sa labas ngayon. So, which is good because the air can get in and out. So, naliligo lang si Mister. Close natin ito kasi ayaw ko si Indegarotay pumasok dito sa kwarto. Kasi maglalaro sa ilalim ng kama. And then, ang mangyayari, masisira siya kasi hindi siya makalabas. Ganun. So, ngayon, magre-ready tayo kasi alis tayo. And yun. And gusto lang ni Tami bumili ng gulay, ganon, salad. Kasi sabi niya, kailangan niya kumain ng salad kasi pasta ng pasta siya. Yung tiyan niya matigas. So, yun, dahil sa mga matitigas na pagkain na hindi nahihilis. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang yung alis kasi ayaw ko siyang mag-relax. Gusto ko siyang mag-relax lang siya dito at ayaw ko siyang makasama mag-grocery. Kasi lahat na lang bibilhin. So, yun siya. And, ay, ginoo ko. So, mag-defrost ako ng pork. Ano bang kakainin namin? So, ngayon, alis tayo. Ay, tapos na si Taming naligo. Ayaw ko sanang mag-lipstick. Kasi magsusuot lang naman ako ng mask, diba? Pero sobrang ano ng lips ko, pale. Parang ang putla-putla ko. And also guys, meron akong mga earrings. Ganito ba? Ganyan. Look, malaki, medium, small. And hindi po ito totoo. Pero gustong-gusto ko po gustong-gusto ko po talaga yung mga ganitong earrings din. And then mga ano lang ito, mga hindi totoo. Pero maganda yung ano niya, yung magandang product, hindi siya basta maganda, parang totoo talaga. Matagal na to sa akin, guys, as in kinikip ko siya. So, itong tainga ko is maarte. Kumakati every time na susuotin ko siya, kumakati talaga yung tainga ko. So, ang ginagawa ko is ihumol ko siya sa alcohol for few hours and then lilinisin. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Alam mo, napag-usapan namin ni Mira na mag-alis. Punta kaming nakalimutan ko na magkikita-kita pala kami ngayon. So, ang problema, nakalimutan ko, tinitext ko siya, na busy ata yun. Hindi ako ni-replyan. So, magkikita-kita. So, sabi ko, pwede bukas. Andito kasi si Tami. Sa tinatagal-tagal ng panahon, andito pa rin kami, guys, sa bahay. Nanonood ng news. Sabi ko, bago tayo mag-grocery, kakain tayo ng Taco Bell. Kasi kakaiba ito kapag gusto mag-grocery eh. Lahat ng makikita, kinukuha. Han, can you get a plate for you, please?
No, I don't need hat. I put it in the paper.
My God, you always wanna follow what my
I don't follow it.
my voice thingy.
It's funny.
Han,
Ooh.
why?
Ah?
You control yourself when we go grocery, okay? No,
I agree to nothing.
you are such an annoying.
Nothing. Nothing? You don't even know where that's from, you're laughing at it.
Nothing. Is that a movie? Is it a movie? TV show?
Heroes.
No, I don't
It's all
know.
your shows.
So we're going to Market 32 to get the creamer. No, we're not going to other store. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay itong Christmas tree na binili namin ni Tami. Hindi ko talaga alam kung asan ko ilagay siya. Pwede naman siya dito. I think dyan ko na lang siya ilagay. Dito ko sana siya ilagay, guys. Sabi ko pa, guys, pagtungtong ko sa Christmas tree, nahulog ang iyang pante. Sabi pa ni Tami, and now I have to pee. Nakatawa ba ni Tami?
What's funny? You tell me I'm funny. What's funny?
Because I said nahulog sa Christmas tree and now I have to pee. Is that what you said? Now I have to take a pee. You are super funny. Punta tayo sa
I probably just took on the front porch and not over the driveway.
Why?
Because the driveway is like one on each side or something. Or two in the middle of the stairs in the middle.
Alahan?
Alahan.
It's bleeding, oh.
Okay, so I brought tissue, remember?
The side. Oh, God.
Can't be much, hon. It's fine. Stop and get
Did you have your mask?
I got my mask.
Stop where?
Mail.
Bye, mailbox. Just getting some salad, guys. Right. Okay, let me. Oh, this one is nice.
It's like, what the hell they grow? They don't grow. It's all garbage now.
Okay. You think this is the thing? Or you want the other one?
You gotta look, when they put the blue on the bottom so you can't see how brown it's getting. That's why they do that.
How about the other one over there? Kung si Tami talaga, sabi pa niya, junk daw yun. Matigas kasi gusto niya kasi gusto niya matigas. So yun. Over there. Oh, this is nice looking. Look.
This costs less than the packaging.
Roast beef, and you cut it to make it steak.
Cut it to make it roast beef, so like sandwich, like
Ah, really? Look, this one, oh. Ah, chuck, honey.
This whole thing,
Yeah.
costs less than the roast beef that we had there. I think this one's better than it.
Whatever, you pick. You know better. Ito yung binili namin, guys. Ito si Tommy. Naghanap lang siya ng ano. Kasi wala na pala kaming ito.
General merchandise. General merchandise has a cost.
I don't see it.
No, they gotta land late, though.
Okay. Paalis na kami. Not even sure kung asa na itong sasakyan dito. See there? Hindi na makita ang sasakyan. I cannot even get in. Huh? Oh yeah. This one, oh, the heavy first. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Ito na tayo. Konti lang yung binili namin. Ito, 2 salad. And he got some bread to bring also in Rochelle. There you go, si Mister. The unhappy husband I have. Can you imagine, guys? I asked Tommy if this is for us.
You told me not my stuff, right?
And then he said it's for the kids. And then he said it's for the kids.
This one's like a pot roast beef, so I guess you cook it in a pot.
No, I'll cook it. The one the mom got, the rotisserie would be nice.
Boiled, didn't they?
Yes.
Like 2 bottles.
So no, if you're gonna brown this, cook the cooking oil, vegetable oil. No, it's not good with that.
What is that?
You have to ready whatever you put over.
I have to do what?
You have to brown it nicer. Ito, guys, bina-brown lang siya, and then ilagay namin dito. Lagyan ko siya ng celery, ipapatong lang dito, guys, and then i-bake. Celery and garlic. Aga kasi hindi namin alam kung aalis si Mr. Tamimoy. You have to sprinkle it with salt around it, huh? A little bit salt around it. It's not gonna kill you. It's a thick mix, so. This is nice if we have time, but we don't have time.
You don't have time for what?
That time. So yun lang siya, guys. Garlic, celery, carrot, pepper, and
Put it in there?
yeah. We have to preheat this lower. Oh my God. Seriously.
See, I can. See the difference?
Pinasok ko na naman siya, guys. May bagong bulak. Look. And then may bago dito din. Hindi ako makahanap ng ano kung delikado ba to siya or ano. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano, okay na. I think okay na yan. Buhay pa ang minggo natin. Importante ito kasi ito talagang gusto kong buhayin. Kalamansi. Guys, marami pang bunga. Look, mahangin lang dito, guys, ha. Ang dami pang eggplant, guys. Ito yung mga natira sa garden natin. Dami pang talong. Meron pa doon, di ba? Meron pa doon. Oh, natumba. Niyatumbi ang kemetis. Ang daming bunga. Iwan ko kung kailan ito matatapos. Okay, this is done. Let me check. I have to check up for the last time. It's okay color. It's okay color. It's different. It's really different from the paint, you know. But it's nice enough. Okay naman siya. Pero hindi siya katulad ng pinta talaga. Ito, guys, ito yung sa marble. Yung andon. Kinuha namin yung marble. Ano ko lang siya sand and then pinta. So, yun yung gawin ko. Kasi yun, sobrang old na niya. Alam niyo, gusto kong itim. Itim dito. Puti. And then itim. You know? Pero imposible naman. I don't know what is holding with this. This one is kinda scary. Look. Scary. Yan. Isasan lang natin. Ganito lang ito guys. Simply, but simpler. Uy, it's me. Tapos na guys. So, iwa-wipe ko na lang yan. What are you doing? Huh? What time is it?
I pulled this out and tested it. It cooked just the way you like it. And I took it out early. So. Hopefully inside it'll be cooked a little more. But
Why is kind of tough meat?
can I tell you this is not the right one? This is a pot roast. This is different than a regular roast beef.
And how's it taste? Cut in pieces that I can pick.
Any kid like it.
With a little salt, but
Oh, I mean, of course it needs salt.
whatever.
I mean, you can add salt to yours.
And you can. Anyway, that's really good over there.
The juice, yeah, you.
Yeah. The vegetables too. Look at that, guys. So, ngayon, I'm done with sanding the thing. So, what I'm gonna do next is wipe it with a wet sponge. And then, dry it. And then, paint it tomorrow. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to cut. Magka-cut ako ng onion for my baby tummy, boy. Ang hangin sa labas, grabe, totally grabe. And I'm probably dusty from this. Oh my god, my butt's itching! What's wrong with my butt? Why is it so windy outside? Large. Ito guys, large pearl black olives.
Final?
Yeah, reduced sodium. In the can here, the old one. My husband is busy, look. The way he makes salad, guys, look at him.
Yeah.
Senior Tommy. You're not senior. You're Mr. Tommy. Hello guys, my husband made a plate.
Tell me when you're ready.
He made a plate. This is his plate. And let me see my plate that he put. Where's your vegetables on?
I have.
Huh?
That's all that was left of the beans.
Oh, does need to be heated first?
I would think.
Thank you, love you, tinky. I love you. Anyway, and meron siyang salad dito. Kakain na kami, maaga ang kain namin. It's almost 6 o'clock. Ako, nakaupo ako doon, naglalaro. Siya, sabi pa niya, oh, kailangan ko nang anuhin yung plato mo. Ilagay yung mga kakainin mo. Sabi ko, alam mo ba yung kakainin ko? Do you know what I'm going to eat? Yes, Han, I know you want rice. I know you want rice and you want mungo beans. Kain lang kami, guys. And then, yun, kain. Ngayon, siya ko lang ito. Ikakat. Maganda cooking, because tomorrow, there's going to be part of the news. Carlos, sorry, you know saan? Sino yung helps nyo? It's like the Roman base. What's that? Okay, so now, we start it out. You're gonna cooking, with the juices and the potato. Oh, I need to cook this. This is good. Thank you. Then, oh, do you want more? Are you sure? I'm not going to get this, huh?
More. I gotta stop eating to say it. I said no. You said
Because you did that to me. If I ate, are you sure honey rice? Honey rice is life. My husband ba, it's kind of like, he gets so mad. He get mad really fast. He is pregnant. Only pregnant guy will get mad like that fast. With our first baby. Oh no, I like this one better, you know that?
No, is it better than the zipper?
Yeah, because it will protect more if you put in the freezer. Hala, is this for the dog?
I imagine you with your plate.
Oh, this is my plate? Come here, baby. Come.
I'm going to give you something from the garbage bag.
Han, I don't put this in the garbage.
Isn't that nice, Art?
Come here, mates. Roxy, that's it. Only one piece. Anyway, so kukunin ko lang yung sinasand ko na ano, nandun sa ano, mahangin kasi, baka madala sa hangin at saka liparin at saka masira. Ito na, dito ko siya nilagay. And then ito, dry na siya. Dalhin natin sa loob. Dry na dry. Diyan. Look, and then lagyan ng bulaklak. But hindi ko yan ilagay dyan, guys. Ang pangit naman, diba? That one is good. That one is good over here. The big flower shit. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. Good night, guys. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Nunood kami ng Man of Steel. Tapusin lang namin.